Hi there. I would never have thought in 1,000 years that I would come out and be making a video of me sharing something. But if you're like me, you should by now be tired, watching, listening, reading about COVID-19. I have decided that COVID-19 is not going to take over my life, in as much as I am also struggling with my professional life in trying to engage my students with online teaching. There are other things that I enjoy doing. Cooking is one of them. So I've decided that as I am locked down, like most of you, I should share some of my wonderful recipes with you. This is time for us to get out here and be positive and do things that will bring smiles on faces. If you do not know how to cook, this is the time for you to love your stove. So, I am going to be trying it with my very first recipe, my beautiful cabbage meal, wonderful cabbage meal. I use a simple, small, medium head size of cabbage. Cabbage is easy, cheap, one of the cheap vegetables, but you can easily convert it to something wonderful. So I hope you watch and enjoy it. Hello, let's be positive, knowing that these two will come to pass away. So enjoy this series of videos that I'm going to be sharing with you as time goes on, as we all struggle these moments to make life positive. Stay tuned and enjoy my recipes. One medium head size of cabbage, well chopped. Your garlic, ginger, red pepper, onion, habanero, carrots that you're going to peel and cut into little tiny pieces, some celery. I'm going to go ahead and cut this into little pieces and show you. As you know, cookery is an art, so you can always improvise. Here is the chopped cabbage that I showed you earlier. And here are my red pepper slices. Here you have the carrots sliced. Here you have my ginger, habanero, onion, celery, some Maggi cubes, ginger, again chopped, sliced medium-sized tomato, and these other ingredients. And I'm now ready to put them together. Okay, here we go. I put in my onion. There, please, a little bit. Added my ginger and my garlic. Continue to stir. In here I have about 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can use oil of your choice. So I continue to stir this. So in here I have my onion, my garlic, and my ginger. Now I added my tomato, fresh tomato first. Stir it in. I usually don't like a lot of tomato in my cabbage, so I use just one medium size fresh tomato. I want to put in my habanero. I love pepper in my cabbage. I put in my celery. Continue to stir. Stir. Instead of using regular salt, I usually would use adobo. So I just put in a little bit. Let it cook a little bit here. I probably want to put in my Maggi cube. The ginger and the garlic and onion combined, just giving out some wonderful now here. I don't usually want the tomato to get so cooked, and at this point I'm going to add in my red peppers, and at the same time my carrots. Carrot might take a little bit of time to cook, but by the time I add in my cabbage, it will still have enough time for it to cook. I just put everything together here, just so that I have a good mix of all my ingredients before I put in my chopped cabbage. You would think that you can just also get this and eat with something else, and that's so possible, right? This gives you a good vegetable mix here without the cabbage that you could use to eat some rice, some dodo, some boiled plantains, whatever you want. But I'm still going to add in my cabbage. Give this a little cook. So good to share. Please, let's share out all your wonderful recipe out there. With the lockdown, this is the time for us to share. Don't keep your wonderful recipes to yourself. Now I get to my cabbage, and I start to add it into my ingredients. My pot looks small, but I'll tell you, by the time it's all cooked, the cabbage is going to shrink all down. And it's going to be fine. It's just going to be fine. Okay. So the technique here is constantly bring up stuff that is at the bottom of the pot and then let the rest at the top go under. Some little skills here needed. Continue to add in my cabbage. It's almost gone from the colander. Doing my thing here, gently taking up stuff from the bottom, and that way the stuff that is on the top goes under. And I usually don't like my cabbage to be too cooked. I still want it crunchy, but to the extent that I would be testing all my ingredients inside the cabbage. So continue to stir here. I'm basically done, and all I do here now is just slowly stirring to make sure that I have a complete mix of everything, and also that the cabbage is cooked to my desire. So you see, now the rest of the ingredients gently mixing with the cabbage, and you can see the texture of the cabbage changing from very crispy when I initially put it in to a softer texture. You can see, you can actually see that. It's coming on. Remember, I didn't add water in it. Any water that is in it is coming from the vegetable itself. You don't need to add in any water at all. And you want to, if you want to make it richer, this is the time that you could add in like some boiled meat, some fish, some shrimp. But I'm keeping it simple. Completely vegan here. Completely vegetarian here. Nothing meaty inside. It's been steaming now for about, let's say, 9 minutes. Almost 9 minutes. I'll let it cook for a little bit, and I'm going to show you the final product at the end. But I tell you, this is it. Your cabbage with all the wonderful ingredients in it. It's almost ready. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Here goes my final product. I'm ready to have an early dinner and a glass of wine. And I hope you can try this simple recipe and let me know how it came out. Bon appetit.